Listen, folks, it's you who have to decide whether you want to lead an ordinary life or an extraordinary one. Whether you want to follow the conventional path or an innovative one. You want to end when the life ends, or you want to be larger than life. You want to live your life while remaining within the limits set and defined by a typical mindset, or you want to go beyond those limits and discover a whole new world of unending possibilities. You just want to follow the trends or want to be a trendsetter. You want to remain in the so-called safe zone and just survive, or will you be taking risks and chances and will transform your life? Will you surrender and lose, or will you fight and win? You want to die in the darkness, or you want to be a guiding light, a beacon of hope, and an inspiration to others? You just remain driven throughout, or you yourself become a driving force? Take full charge of your life. Do realize it's just one life and you are not going to get it ever again. Your life is brimming with opportunities scattered here and there. But you don't identify them, you don't find them, you just let them go and then complain or lament. Never be afraid of the massiveness of tasks. No challenge, no obstacle is insurmountable, no matter how big or difficult it is. Remember, life is nothing but a battle of nerves, a defeatist mentality, or a winner's mindset. The choice is yours. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment, and share.